So we got a storm coming our way on this ship. Let's look over here. Look how beautiful. We are kind of in a storm right now, which is kind of cool. Very cool, in fact. It's cooled it down too. It was stinking hot before. I guess that stops the work on that little future island. It's amazing. Looks like they're building an island unless there was something there already and they're just clearing it out. I don't know. Okay, that's towards the front of the ship. And we're not too far from the front. We're like the third. We're on the port side, but I don't understand. It never seems to be the port side. Nobody in the pools or the hot tub. There was a couple just now, but they saw a bit of lightning and wisely got out. Look at that. Oh, I saw lightning off in the distance. I don't know if that caught. Still incredibly blue. I'm so sure that this captures how blue it is. Beautiful. It's nice and warm. It's swirling up over here. I guess the engines are running. We'll be setting off in just over an hour. No. Yeah, I don't remember.